Because oh yeah, said the bear Obama me respect. So what you say? And your me birthday and the main invite you say queer. And ne and your me not to a birthday. Now mum said your me birthday no. And you all white, Osha black about your uncle. And because of Sao Domintino, I did be a obey on my birthday national. Obey yes, said the bear and Kugu many months. So what you say? You do everything, said the bear many veggie, because the day is my day. And it's a oh yeah, be ebe me many a dear. And it is a minimum bar. Omukuta gifts. No more dear, but oh, my not to any birthday. Did the crowd all one in the day, no? And you want me pen or watch, let's say, and you my birthday. I don't know you be a can be young working. I just said, dear Mimeka, and a year to my. So what you say? Because I am my birthday, and I invite two Sabra Benjamin. And tis a whole bad dear. I was so banu, said dear Mimi Pay. Obey dear me pay. So my birthday, I say. Now me can't show sa birthday now, Abanu. Mammy Casaka Crans, and you know the obey more. Birthday now, Oban, Miss Sow, banquet na ye kutnam, yen smoke ho, and tis a Oban now shall see smoke pa. Not just one disrespect me. One February, mammy, ever my birthday, which is my birthday, see a special day for me. So what you say? And I used to Christo, I catch out say, and you may be or chili. So what you say? And I was so good in the birthday. Okay? You are celebrating Christ's birthday. And the Bible nimuno. Why they can't catch us? So what do me? Di mashadi so. Equia. Jesus Christ. So what do me dia? Di mashadi so. If you love me, obey my commands. Okay? And what did you maybe a guaquem? Say, and Sadi Waway. Why and Tokwa Penny? Na di otobun tentano onimu nyansa nipa na sma wakanyo a obi a woburu nsa no wo se Kristo ni kra ni fie don't go there enti ade na sa nipa ni di birthday na ye di mpatashi and they celebrating ade a wo se won pe no ye di celebrating sa nipa ni birthday enti say ye bu no and ye fere no and ye ni day and ye honor no a ye be ye sa na so, where they are some busa. Some too many child brochure. None of the many from Ghana. None of the quaint be a nipper be the yes to Christo birthday no. Me do who am in Tiasi. And come and work it and coye. Because me cry me any panel. Send me birthday. Nami certain Yamagua quam. No boom run a swap. Make catch a security man no dinner coin on the say. Sister Queer make catch and say ye bar. Ye shut all white. And tis what the black do coin on a security man. A woman pass away madam for. But Pam no one go back. Because you are trying to disrespect me. Because today is my day. And your mimi birthday. Oh, you be a becabian working. Accept me. Party Nasi is mine. But why? And you say, you did Jesus' birthday. Okay? You name date, you know, the people say it's pagan holiday. That's okay. The day that he was born, and yes, I did we are. We all know, say year 26, whatever, and you Jesus. And year 25th, whatever, and year Noah. And you go for date in the about the shame. And you see, Christopher, because of that, now, what do you do to so dear? In the name of Christ, no, Yabakwa Tonyo Mama, fine. Because we don't know the date. You are tricky. Roman for deceive you for so many years. You know, boy, Roma be seen there. Yate, Yadama says more tricky. Thank you. But see, Yabaya Christopher, in the name of Christ, and yes, Sadia, and the Yenya, yes, Christo will pay. So what you say? Say the way of a day we crano, and you me day. But they were doing the things that I want, the things that I like. And today just a food would be a new home. Because the pagans they did what I want. But at day, and birthday. And Casabrin and Kibijina. Near dear she Jesus and Nimunyam. But some me too many sharp one thing, sister, your sister, Quia Brian. Na me shall quite be uncle for first war. Eddie Yesu Christo birthday no. Me jina hua ming kwa anotwa. Sa me jina hua mentia se. Mentia you because nipa na yedi ni birthday no. Yedi ne chiwade e. Ena e kanu ntimi busa wo. Wo wo ye nipa no sa wo boka. E ko rent banquet place. Na wo to niema bebre nuane. Ene wo niema gu ho. Wo besa se nkofo mra. Wo metra se nidi num. Na nipa kro ne ba. No baba ye de wo mpe. Se de be ya wo wure be ho birthday no a. Me busa wo sister Quia. E be ya wo de. Braya. Are you going to be happy? You are not going to be happy. Even though that we don't know the day. Say date ni nyesa. Ni dia to so. Nenkofobi aye brainwash. Still like we don't know what to do no. And yes, sadia. Let's do something to glorify his name. Yende bibi na ishe Kristo ni monyam. Nempo obedu no ka se de we na nyimi de a. Yes ye rade ne ye koye no. Ye bibi ni kosha wa ni monyam. But fuoni to Ghana, fuoni to America, fuoni to Europe. And the ye celebrating Yesu Christo birthday. Adia ye no, adia Christ or partner. In the name of Christ, we are sorry. Obia was say, jam e kosoha. Jam kosoha ebinum rin sambo ye botutu ye niema in the name of Christ's birthday. And that's why I can't think far. Me do know what mentiasi you enkoye sa ade na escape ye dia na ye nimu dia and ye na ye kwa ye nya di nkohye Christ nimunyam. And then all the beer bars in Ghana from 24th night up to Samino Kase is open. People are getting drunk. People are smoking weed, cocaine. Ebi no mo shiasra. Ebi botutu ye fama wo street ito. Ye fama wo kanhu. Ye fama wo kwem. Ye fama wo public places. And kofu gu swimming pool. And kofu gu swimming pool. Miami kurum. Pianse ne kontanse because kuroni mi nyina mi firim pianse ne kontanse sa kuroni nyina e wona mi fire kokohwe abono kohwe lake baby nipa aye niema koduro in the name of onyankopon a birthday. So what you say nanka yedi yinim no kura no nka me mesha na bufuo because Facebook ba ye enye sofu bia na di Facebook ba ye. And you say time ma na di Facebook ba and yesu ya fa ho and ye ka onyame asem enti di omo ye no yesu ya fa ho nti ka pagan holiday dia anka ye fa ho ni glorify onyankopon din anka ye fa ho ni fa nyi onyame aye ni fa pega di din ni ntontom no na ye nkamfo no. But what are we doing? Look at what is going on this time. People say they were celebrating Christmas. Me ukube ko ni fie no. Ensa na wonyamesi uchiri na. Was say ensa ye feudifo. Ensa odi nipa ho few. Wo ye feudifo odi ensa di awrade ho few. Was say ensa ye feudifo. Ensa den wo ye ntokwa pani na di otomu ntentan no. Woni mu nyansa. Afei die ye papa na what declare ensa say ensa ye bad no. Afei die ensa no and ye di celebrating the birthday. A chiwadi abomai abomination. And all these people our modern son are celebrating Christ's birthday, no, they will be in trouble. Big one. I'm not gonna lie. You will be in big trouble, huge. Seriously. Seriously. BBC is very sad. Because so we be enemy de birthday. Obi to me commando say and you're all white. And because no need white to close closet him. Utumi costo ekokoto white the share because you love that person. You want to be there for her. You want to be there for him. Who person will be na need you on the birthday? But why? And you say Christ's birthday. And the Christopher in the DP. Now feed you him say young coupon was sensa what chili. Now feed you this idea and they celebrate who him say the attempt. It's insult. And you did the attempt. We are insulting Christ. You didn't attempt. We disrespect him. And this in Sadia. Don't mention Christ. My pagans, and who say you are celebrating pagan holiday. Don't even mention Christ Jesus. Because of the and then wabra and koye. It doesn't work. I then you celebrating Jesus Christ's birthday. Near the chiwadia and they're celebrating and near my one pay a trendy power. A trust one casaway bonsam. Yes, you didn't that one no keke. You don't know what you're doing. Because who cry we in Nipano, so will be the idea what you are dear Kawa. When you prepare, obey will be cocked. Because of a DB or Diana. A whole God, our soon coming King, Prince of Peace, King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Na ye decide we, no one know what baby yes, ye be huna money. Ama ya bune piano. Ya bune piano. Abona senium. And come ye bo be a senium, my yadinhoma, and the children in sun in the night. Where do you said that the dadwa? Abonin sem, and ya tari dia. Minuunti. And to see a bay bunia foa, and capapa when ye in bunia. We don't respect what he did. We don't care, and we don't give a damn about what he did for us. But in our mouth, we always say we are Christians. But deep down, our works, declare you say, ye Christopher, ye ignorance. The things that we do, and conquem, and koye, and fata Christo, and yet, and you're poor, and you're shame. That's what's going on right now. Metina sena mejino ho a mentia se party na mo frefi nipa so momra na mo mebo dem na binom awi mpetashi pema e fa wo mo botutu no sa na Yesu Christo so plana mi busawo including so-called Christians obiase we Christoni. They open their mouths and tell you say Merry Christmas. Yawaje nkwano is Jesus' birthday. Are you doing what he wants? That's my question. Sana mi pese mi busa. Obi Christmas. I obe mention odi anye wonim. Don't even mention Christ. So obe mention Yesu din. Now the nechi wadi be mesia so twe be ba so obe ye mobo. And na yon kwaje da. God is here to rebuke you. Holy Spirit is here to rebuke you. If you're doing such things, run for your life before it's too late. And then you move be brilliant penocre. You best teach us some sincere meno say, I sorry be I program and ko foba, ko shed dressing. Ye dear could see a sorry them all in the name of Christmas. Wa breast addressing no cry the one. Wa Jim Quanisi Wuchiri, Nipana who didn't birthday. Many Kamenian see Yesu Christo birthday, dear. Nay ye be say Yesu Christo and Nimunium, dear. Nko baby a quassory and a tadi you see from Nankani do Kubono, Nka make up crack out debi. Nkwashi so more crack out to. Na wo dia ho brase ne ho keka akoyi awade aye apija won sa hire ne din kronkron e de nkoto jagu fama apija won sa atonyum ahye ne din animunyam nka sa na wo say nka we all have to wear white all the way down free suru ko sifo na nka yidu ko boboye ni ya bible hihia motom ni ya di kodu ni anum adesai nsuo hie ne adesai ginger ni ye mini mote ni ye di akoto nyum de asha pija ni din ama bofo atena soro ene onyame atena soro bod ni nsama kasampa me mai now o magina bafie. But look at what is going on. Sa no to me jimi kura me nipa o me gina ho me ntiase me gina ho even me bucket to ikura no sa ne birthday dura me ya ade a ebe ma kola ne ni age me nya ade a ebe ma kola ne rebe ho. Ntia day and a whole King of Kings, and the Lord of Lords, our soon coming King, Prince of Peace, Yeshua HaMashiach, a whole King, birthday. Na ye chiwa die, a chiwa die. And this is the Mama Yesu Christo. And today I must birthday no come so to me here for more. What to the nature for more? All he see is darkness, disgusting things, abomination, and no Omushi Obitwa, who catches on me and cross one. But in the name of Christmas, the obedient one, Obitia son them were born local. Why are you going there? Why are you going there? And I'm so young upon the butcher food, none of your dorsal, no one dear oye. So say, see how did you when you meet them? No one struck was so. A trust when you're bow, or be proud can we run, no one walk good jim no show. Simple as that. Because when you go baby our tiano, I'm not to mean to send some fear, and Cassami be yes to birthday, and many pound may read more say. And come in who baby would be Regina. And come and so chain can you be near? And tis a weird side to what ye, and did Yamiatam. Now that's to want to be Biako ye mount say, or be proud to say to me lion for Premura. No, I'd walk good jim no show. Oh, dear. Because Mammy Bia, Nebaya Boneno, or Tiamiba, and tis so dear Wuye, or Yanko Pontia on Tressa, one dear. A whom more, unslo, and including pastors, including some so-called pastors, a soft wobby. She said them and no Guinness and wine in the name of Christ. What are we doing? Are we Christians? We disrespect our maker. We disrespect God. Wabra wa utiwe obi to make cancer mine and would it matam and umuadi make a be a umuadi did atama a yawa. Who did the yankupatem? Umun bano, you obey and when you so we ungrateful. We ungrateful. Found so good tinesu, chajajua, neko kukum koko sebon fache. Me come it show, and nessa just for one. Now, Quadian Assam now catch Christ. Nessa Mumpanocre. Na me che. Yes, I can you Adamo Sumayode. Me Babet show whatever you're doing, no. Most Merry Christmas. Thank you. I got it. But what are you doing in your house? Baby, you invite to Musamumrano. What are you guys doing there? At the end of Kosoho, Musha Bondin Samude. Parties are Cassina Motuano. Yes, to Christo Ki didn't be there. You boy, yasenum. Shatawale Komesi Musai. Sakodi Besi Musai. I gave you from Ebonian, Sir Eboniana. Demon pa, Bunsam Cassia pa, Salidino. Will you demo? Bunsam Cassia pa, that lady. Mimi Huna mi Humbosom. I see me who come for pa. Big. That's her. But who could run the concert, I say. And the name dear sir. So who celebrate Christ? I don't think so. What is going on? At the end of year, I even say you be Christosum and Burasano. Pentecost I say, Baptist I say, SD I say, Methodist I say. What is going on? Huh? At the end of year, who can was the Yankasasa and Kamenkasa say? Because what sort of them all? Yankan crunch now. All they want is your money. They will take your money and you will go burn. Me come now. They will be to see come walk or shit. Because we won't kind of crunch now. And so you will book yadi she ding. You won't share the title in the offering. You will book a list boom. But to the brad dear, you see and come once someone trouble. And then yes, one woman say Neshe, ne Christophobi, Adanensa Jam. Kutuboje was say I will spit you out from my mouth. Who are you fooling? And to me, Passamich say, that will be do birthday, will be Shamrano. Unyamino will be dinner, you. So will birthday so. Now Shamrama Nipa said this is the way you want it. No will be ba. No one yet said you pa. No Kokan sama. That day, a better said the one wabo hundia. I'm telling you the truth. And I'm not gonna lie. What is going on? And next Christmas, oh, in the name of Christ, and ye man num to four, if we are sephonium to phone yema musika, and womanum penny for two, and womu ye pay. President ni and man penny or man penny for, womu quack pa banadia, almost some mum pie mom. Me person me show how hypocrites they are. They were hypocrites. No more woman sumunamio, unami would new. Omo ye occult, omo ye Illuminati, omo some we are seeing yame. Because woman sum we are seeing yame. Nkomo ma me can't tell me say, Monto a bad ma woman, no more to you munya, no more could cheese the kitchen yame we are seeing we are so fun to four. So we make on your party. And your party. A chest woman find yame. They don't give a damn. They don't care. Because if they really care, they will never be a koswa and need Jesus Christ to assemble a boy brano and they will cause people to not do it. Now, not something in the oil and mammy at the say. Now, not something in the air and mammy. What happened in Ghana? Krumu Yedin. He silenced everybody. Wakatru be across the woof, Lukramin Kusie. Keep it. Nesta Ubako Kusie Sukra, and you to Makramin Frebi. She no me ante sa wo ye who change adu fio onipa bra eye adwuma onipa mra eye adwuma wa santeman ada na Kristo mra de enya adwuma why na Nyankopon mra ahene mu hene ni ewura no mu wurade wono de ne mra de mo so mo fanya adwuma why na mo so ya mo fra mo ho Kristofo I don't think so me woni ye mo no mo sofo they refuse to tell you guys the truth. And yes, say ye. Nipe say nipe yira. Nipe ko jemu. Ansa na brunya ibe ko na wi ibe wura new year no na nipa bibra fa ho wu. E de no mo catch Christ. E de e no mo catch Kristo. Listen, yes, heaven is ibe ko bia. Ye nche your behavior now. Bas me shiaw na me catch your sister ku ya wo ko shiaw. Say, I'm not sure. Ubu matin. Wo se me koshi ampa so wan sakra na utwahwe ne se wom wo koshi so ampa Onyankopon nu masam yatemu saneti o enti me se odofo me pa uchaw buade bu Kristo fe buoni ni die sefata e fama no na wukunu oda wochi no kura wubu no Ono ko se Yesu na se ukutabu so nko ukunu birthday me busa ma no ukunu birthday o se kuya me di me 50th birthday say na me pese flowers na moye no nipa we na pese o invite no wo ma list are you going to go against your husband's list he give it to you ono ko nipa I'm asking you a question you won't dare do it cake you know the open and no mo be So you will tell them someone stay away from peanut. So on pay chocolate, you will tell them to stay away from chocolate. Why? Because it's your husband's big day. And to say yes to Christo big day. Said your moka no dia. I didn't tell them what chiwadi and celebrate birthday. Why? Why is that? I didn't mean Nadia na kosui. A Christopher mummy me and in a hole. And we also have to go through the Bible ourselves. We have to read. We have to check things. A brasso say yes to ye nipa. Young ko radianim. Niana and kokasa. Say a suffer for failure. No moon to me preaching ye dear. Let's go to God. Yen and kokasa. Me to be a make me to papa so. And so men ferry you nina and Christ or Sammy dinty. Me to me but me to papa so. Me know what didn't come. Me know what preaching. Obi betuma kanchi solid and so when him nokure on kanchero okay metumi miya mani chi pa na me fitri mani me try ase metuma ka bi kura keke metuma kan bi just to break certain things down to you to know say this is what is going on and we are living in the last days. We don't have much time left. Jesus is coming. And Tisabrisi will be bia. Yenya die beshe Yesu Kristo animunyam. No oba wo to me consider. Anye sadia. Enye ye. Enko ye kura. Die mi hone this time no ano den my friend. I know dang sister. I know dang. We rebel against Christ. Ya so dang. Ya so dang ma. So what should be na kutre flat so better Jesus. Wait, Jesus. Yes, someone can come with him. Yes, someone just also. Yes, one you. Who are you say dear? I suffer for who am bomb sick and dishes and Timon can crunch the most of them. Musu munkonku. Moya thankful number 1. Musu munkonku. Mr. Michelle Facebook. Near see a at the say Christmas, whatever. A woman friend crossover was a crossover. And yes, say baby, I'll be for beer crossover. So more crossover, you know. No, shame about one tad dear. Woman did not sorry them ho. And if you woman, you almost say woman betonum. I'm a Christian. Who I want to wear such a bar. Never boo. Niti chani panan kadibe sinsi. Me say, when you mean him. And one man was of Missy Kadibe see. A gradina me say, me come up register. Me. Come up and I'm just sorry no. Yes. Me show so no for my pam. No, I can't say me, yam pama crime free sorry them. Me more rules and regulations. And near my Christ so pay. Was said Deuteronomy 22:5 say, or ban Shabel my dear. It is why you want you to be the yes watama. You won't even enter. Uma, who did your neighbor? Who did your neighbor? Missy coming home brought them pa. Because you stubborn generation biara. Onyankupo yi stubborn preacher. No the next Gina. Zongolis. No one more dia be seeing sanity. Sape pepe. Nanki dia boy din. Serious. Obabana do kunin to makuta menam Gina kwana no. Ata the finish show na dey ba. Me yin to manama. Odi oyo ba pa menye. And you obesa kwetena oka mu no wakofie back. Seriously, I'm not playing. Obe bodu ku umpo. And yes, I saw no unsim. Yes, I do one wape. Yes, I do one wape. And yet to do one muti nasem was so to me a dimashadi so. And no wash. And yet to do we rap. Obia could done the boyfriend China coffee fin and no could in some phone. I did see what Jerry such a miniskirt. I checked and the nice go for the bro. I said the high here so I don't know baby yes why. What the chiwa dear number 1. Wa bragana mo koma bosom ne ho a. Was in champabwa ufiti kotia no yi mpabwa na che omotom. Wono ye bosoma yi ko twa die firi wuram atutu moja gu so. Wono usuro no che wonyankopon ahene mu hene ne ewura no mu wurade. Usuro no. Eni ye didi nyame atem. Ye ne yekununum ne ye ma. Ye didi ewurade atem. Ye tie fi osi e kwa sori. Eni ye didi ewurade atem o. Eni ye hihyansa. Eni ye Yesu. Ye didi na atem na ko obi se ne birthday nti ye mfa didi ma no. Ye mfa didi ma obi a wo so wo di birthday. Eni ye di chiwade e na kan. Na nkofu diso. Sabre ko abono lake. Ko hokɔhɛ. Ko hokɔhwe kukumase swimming pool akese. Ko hwem ko lanketwa ye fa binom. 12 years ni no fu yin sisi wonu ma wanhwe ye obi ye gubede wo akola ne be 16 years no ye nyeje so yare enne nkola ne bomre wakora che mpanimfo no serious enya sam ketwa tu ni ye tu ajamai egu abonten akola ketwa no hye asra ye se bibi di asra se ye bonto se ye die yo ni ye hye wo be kono wa daisy no batada ho te se akotre no jina ho wa shia say and so 31st night ko he sorry them ho and so sometimes we you privilege think a church will be preaching repentance 31st night but they won't do it. They care about your money than your life. They care about your money. Say 31st night, a lot of people will come to church. You bring them more offering. You met two offering. We need cocaine addicts. They're all in a mix. Instead of seeing me preaching, I'm going to from a shoe. They don't do that. And at the end, a crossover. And across who. And I'm just saying, seditious pastors. Fake stuff from me for. Fake. Who you fake at the mouth? Who you fake? Serious. Mo preaching so much mo famna puppet anim. A kutia pastors. Mono yirano. Mo. Obi kwesi no modestia. Na mo sreno. Na mo sreno. Me say, onyame wone ye will become a ma. Ha. Onyame wone ye will become because you break protocol. E will aid in true. Adam no onyame te won no mo te asomdwem. Ye ko ni ko breaking relationship between a man and God until we will be in trouble. And into what the name go akwam wo de oyo ba pa buso. Last me catch them was some me simi nyaka. Me so da Jesus Christ maye no. En ba na ko ni so. Nkola kwa ne doso. Sa 12 years ni 11 years nkola na fe na omunufu ba no san nkola no kwa ne doso. Girls, because a man your woman just say, be correct to your mistake. No be chimanso. And into woman say asafono. Mo muntina mukunu muntu me preach you, a man mo muntia. Muntina mukunu mu preach. Mo ye marija ta ofio. Munti o make up ni use unti. Ukunu bi hope os bra odokatum. Katum na wiase dan dan ho bi. E ma pandi bie ntina wo wodru edin trum. E ma feliye. And so the same and the same test no ye be ko share Jesus Christ wo people no so was so do Yankopon ba dan wo boy pa no. Okay, Jesus Christ passe was so do Yankopon ba na to wo free suru be si from no was wa hye na bofo wo meso wo nsem was so wura do Yankopon he. Jesus passed the test, but women, we failed to pass the test. He passed it. Me come chiram. A lot of these things, nonsense. Most nefare by free ma. And they cannot talk. They can talk. Akukudro any nye di unyankupo dia sha memansa. Seka rule and reign. And ne memani bi cannot talk. Umuntu mi mubum se jata. The same as Samson. What happened to him? Samson to what to me why Japan mkuno tochone. Okay, something to me jiga, or to me to group no, a crooning in a see one, something to me call cotam a chrono, a door, or to me saying what watching baby, up a baby, but or bar, and my something down for, into my winamini will become. And some cosuna, ye do more cotrepa 99.9. I am ma. What is that? Nina say you more dear. Yam feria dear. Yet you Yankoponi Munyamso. We don't give a damn. Enra, obi obe frame bi osimi jawa de mane no to a. Obi obe frame bi osimi jawa de mse de na ekoso. De man bi di ye mema no, ene de mema ni bi di ye ma no he. Wo dwene ho antiase. Wo dwene ho enkoye. E mema ni bi su sei mama. Wo mutumi bia wonte mekasa. Ne man ni bi su sei mama. Obi apeso oja, obone fo peso oja won kwaje firi unsama. Ba bia woduru no, mese wo be mo dwane. Wo be dwane. Ba man so se ba man so na tete wo so no so wonya wo awurade. Mese wo de wano be na no be ja wo ne e kire obe ba ka che so en sorry. O wi anu aka che mo na mo sie se mo ye Christopher no di watem. Wo de opa memfa nche no. Memfa nche no. Enam se wo de echiwade e ka onyankopon ti. Won se e de say otai or he too blow and no bu faso. Utimi bu faso 7 times. Because what do achiwade ka onyame nti won konkon to me my life. Nti how can you stand? How can you do this? And then look at what is going on. And say yes shabuaso nyina e man bi ne ko market kotobre wo mukunu. Wo mu wi a wo maye nam aye moko. Ba wi ne bro ne dawodo. Uye sofo nti die sofo wonu wan kakra na ye dey. Sofo num kakra wan kakra. Ma ye ofufuo na ye bibia me de wan kakra si nchen na ye dey. Sofo num kakra, ode num kakra no oda ne nsaduam. Yes, that's what is going on. The entire when you Christmas in United States, obey ye chiwade. Obey you so in the name of Christ. No why ye chiwade. Musa me boa mo hwe mo sori dem. Program say ba be koso. Mo kwa mo fo nim fam. E man dressing to say dey na koso ho. Obaji on so obompa. Nti na mo tie mo nyame ntie no. Na nka dey the bia ko all night. The bia ye they say prayer hwan ni ye guso ni ye tiem nso ye mayensa so say ye na moja same. Yensam nyina ye moja. Yensam nyina ye moja chiwade ye mu ma. Eni di gina nanim nti ye tiem a wonyame wontie o. nti okotofo asofo no ene omo kogigi niema no omo ba no be kasa nam se omo fanya metumi na ye adwuma nti no wo ba sa iron sharpen iron bayfo to kwan oda bayfo fie nti wo kasa be ye adwuma wo obrem sa netie ba nyankopon won konkron pa de sister won fiu de waye omu ya wudi gina soro dem ho no ai won tie wo ye justice won play games ene won fan ho so what you say and to see one ma we ready mama wo wig go tiri so mesh go tiri so makeup free akoka wo trousers attitude to pampe no empa eni jaibo ton ne ko sakra waje ne janse wudidi awrade atem no na wo wia ansa na wo bada nima be pacho awrade fam bone cheme ansa na wo betie wa wotie me kame kira wo enye sa abusumsumfo ya o ma hye kotu yi o obema oba na me se oba ne metwetwe aba so obeba be ku wigina obeba be ku data. I'm telling you the truth, I'm not gonna lie. And you may cause this time no ehu na me de me catch Jesus Christ oba. We don't have much time left. We sabri your injury time see to me boss afena ai wo ma konti penko obi an shebi ni asa de injury time atoso enu mu na me no ye nam yi edu sabri ya obi awre fi ne bre ye bobuga wo be se no na wo je cap no san se be ye duru no ye bobuga me nsro ena me mfere wo so se duru no kora kan me nsro last na me kame chiro me better na me kasa don't joke with me no masem onyame odi ja kama no. I'm telling you the truth wa pai me ketrem me nkasa kwa nti se me ba better me nya wadwe se mame no to a ne ho bi ne ta no onyame ketrem na da manum dadada no wasesa no wa ma me tumi e de kasa wo mo me kokuduru wo yi hu afiri mi mu nti na me better na me no kasa no nti na wo to a enya adwuma no wo to a emba ebe bounce back to you seriously. Minim di ntemani abra misi wo kasa anka ne katrama no anka mentumi kura fan kasa last me hu me video bi na da YouTube na ma ye ma beta ho ena ye no do ye ho me hwese de misi kasa na me de compare this time metumi se fe na nyame hu ye adwuma sa ka no de na me di agro klama ye ma ju sister sa video no me nyim firi ho because I kai be bebia be free ene bebia meduru me hwese de na me siti ho ene de na ma ye me ho na me preach here. Na me compress the misi kasakura to myself. There's no power behind it. And mami who differences. And into me catro. I'm not sure na who da new ni. Things change. Me katra maname de kasano. So ubuso. No one fast some na nyejuma. Unyami do be jina timujum. Ube bua te wo do ko tujuma washe. Because one fama metna kwa hu kwa. Wa change me ton. Wo di jakamano. Me kamechro. I'm not playing jokes. And yes, some me brain or some catch row, but kakra no take it or leave it. Seriously, it's not a joke. What are we doing? You disrespecting Radhe. You yen my bonnet yet Christ. There was so penny a seeing yet. What brow fear now was in Washington brow fear. What to make catch be someone from Pabonga? What do you know now, woof? What's the sham brama or ma? Say, no, mobile, and Colonel is so now woof. What will be quite to be disowning the bar? But to me, banner for 1 TNT, me disowning. Who cry we nipa? No, when you make a sabon sumunti. Mudi Brunya, thank you. Di Brunya no. Now the coso, never when you meet you at the can. Fanny Munyam says, I would do Brunya, meaning so cancer me Brunya. Nemo ma Brunya now would and glorify when young coupon. Sana me pe. Ma Brunya na wudino say yes Yesu ni awodon dia ya die Yesu ehye Yesu Kristo di no eni munyam sa na Jesus what is so no pe pejani dey ya die sa wote boni mu a ni birthday ni nti sakra na ko jana ni mawrade na meti boni mu so na ya birthday me pese me ya die hye wodi eni munyam enti mpra twe ni megyae brother na me ne tie na wanya me ho ade na mapake me ne ma fi na kwa mi nsi wo biem me ne nkobo adwaman biem me boyfriend Awurade o birthday nti ma friend me boyfriend se me ne gyae e fi na kwa me ne ntena biem because ye wachi wade en nti ye o birthday wo se me ya ade hye wodi eni munyam. And so what are we doing? Kukuma se kwa ne nkran go for ni ko hwa hwade en ne kwa de kam ye se ye ntia ba se maame bi ba 12 years wo hu be bi akwala no krafa wonam kola ketwa no obo two boys and girls because ye maame no mo di enum kan no wo mo mpese wo bebre wo ho se hye Kristo ena de odi kan so de odi akire usua de odi kan nante ena ye nyina ye futu fried rice ena ye didi wo nyame atam na me ka kire mo se de si wo Sodom and Gomorrah no obi de to say onyankopon so ma ye se ye mese kuroi eti yu niema ne kopi poniso Abrahamu rikoi mumu bi enchaneni Sodom ni Gomorrah no jademu Sodom ni Gomorrah no jademu onyankopon so ma ye se ye mese kuroi enti yu niema ne kopi poniso Abrahamu rikoi mumu bi enchaneni Sodom ni Gomorrah no jademu me se wo be ye lot yire no wo tawani a wo bo so be dan nchirisie ye ba be ka cho se jane ni enko pipo no so eno nti na metia ma ba no to na nyame na memu ka cho se be bia ye duru no jane o ni enko pipo no so no nyankopon di je be se kuroi enti yu ni ma ne enko pipo no so na bra wori koi entawani nja patasiba entawani nja party ase entawani nyemanfu entawani nkobo jamai entawani ni enko pipo no so no be chejatum wo be chejatum wo be cheja ato de ohunim so what you say o say dan kabo so wo be chejatum solid anything you need out of for the wo be to me run for your life, run for your life. We are living in the last days. You need create order nemum de epa nemum de epa and nti me sraw me dopa nti nam tie kasa obi be kama na to e no kasa o me do ntia osofu na wo krokro no wotawo we are the tomfo number 1 so unyami bi woni am sika be boni mini mungamu me sika ne ka woni no me sika ne ko wadi ko wakadi besi because sa wo che won sa gubo na wo bowra Hades no mu katsa wo se wo so wo hojo te say wa sekata ya sama ho eye mo birika tuma odi bekata ho eye nsonsono na wo che wani na wo se de wa bre ade wo sika wo tight no offering ama sofo no one can crunch out no ko wi sama ne hunu mu a nka wo boni minim ni jawa mo aba me sika wo go straight to the pulpit na ka wo boni minim achi na free pulpit nanim ade na be jira bontene na boxing me come chiro eya me na me dom me say ekunya ho enu nyame de beje ne ma yes Facebook kwanya ho £1 la pasa crack kaneshi keje tia roman ahaya no de be lodu bas no ahaya na de o waso betie no obenya dankwa ahaya enyo mo bo kredikado me say last me be kache mo say nipa ne bebre edin sofo ne da wo mo so adom na ni obi mo ewurade nyankopon onyame woni won waji adom no long time but nem say your friend sofo free tititi wo hia na de age no sofo wonye sofo ebi kwa me mo kredika me ye sofo 10 me come shrow enti me mo bia nada wo. I'm telling you, don't let anybody deceive you. Nankaye na nkokwa wo nu nyame atachie nkokwa na nke ni ni da so Kristo som ke ye kan ke mo register na nke ye nka ho ano to na nka me ho kra me de ka me kosi mu sai me de ko bi bo akohwibra na nko ofre me de ko bi ye party ne ma bonia e de ni pako wu mu a e no ofre no na de ba ne sai onyame pese oje wontia na ode ne sa tachi obi ti sa no choa. It's unbelievable me bo mo mo bi say ye mo ho ano choa de ewrade upo bi ama na be kan sam kwaje sam ano choa de mo mo be nyam nwa ano choa se de na me sitie pa mo mo be nyam nwa sa metia eye wonti o wonkwaje nti no nyame de ma betena ha eye wontia anye just like that onyame nyi obi kwa onyame mfo obi enkasa kwa onyame mfe janka obi ano kwa onyame won pa ni pocket le mo kwase kwotena se ne kasa enye me ho le tame na nya nsam bi so na mabro. So what you say na no ba be kasa me no be kasa na me si di o waso ni betie di woni so be kokoshe eye say ya when e be jira wonim afena danka Williams be jira wonim asheki wo ekuya sakra wadwen chia onfa wo afena Yesu Kristo be sane no yi nanim wonie som oyim oyi ubi o mani to me was kwa ha me the way man go spread the word ko kan di ubetumi Every Bible ni mintimi nka wasen kakra me pese nipa hu ahwase Ne bedru wi wo mo hu sam pa me nam do ye adwuma mpa. Bible to me can you obey to me? We don't come to papa, so don't hide it. Let them see you naked, everything. Don't hide anything. Man, I ain't told you you need so. Don't hide it. Neko kasa chiro because when you want for be a scholar and then be kasa chiro. So we be human. I suffer for mu ye sharp pan. Who not to say we pa this and me pa. Nko bi no go beto no kro be hia no. Sa no nyame ye na de. Won fa de ye perfect. E wo wo ani so no de ye na de. Because we be betra kan man ba irade na nka wo bi a Bible wo to me reading ye mpa. Man me no to ade wo ni mo hwe. Nso me fon tantan. Sa no ye na de. Sa no ye na niam. Sa eno ye nneema nti di wo waso no wutia no wonya nkwa ama ne kra because na da brim ni wi ya sofofo ni bi so mo kan kra nkyere wo mo kan kyere say run for your life no wa bodewuro no wa kasaya nipa bi amfi no so what you say e beduru me bi enye no wa e be ya mama no to ano enum te yi because a lot of pastors o ma fail unyame o ma fail no ebinum dia ye mape ebinum no se meso mad so ahwe ntinam tia onyame wo so mad so ahwe o nti wo ba bia wo beginam abotene ne bra no onyame betacho onyame sa try man bi so ahwe se be koyia because most of men man bi ebinum dia ye mape nkofo yire no mo je tutu nsabro sikadicious say o ba bia o be man ho kwan onyame wo betra wo so ahwe sa na ye enye komo enye mema na shimpieto yi nyo mo a enye mema no mo sesabe oba mfa na senyi ene na moto mu nyi mra ni mfa nye sunsum ni ma nye mema ya enye wo mo a look at what is going on enye ma eba na ehu me come chiro ehu and need run for your life every ni wa maye akaka krebi na Jesus aba nti samusumu di Yesu birthday dia ya de hye Jesus animonyam ni jasa wodi echiwade e na ekano no ya de hye Jesus animonyam in the name of Christmas obi da so cha ne boyfriend dem okodi Christmas o oko celebrate Yesu Christo awoda e won ne boyfriend dem obi koya abortion because one koya abortion na won timi ne boyfriend mpie obi koya abortion obi akwanso akofa niema in the name of Christmas e di bia beto so bonkofo apo in the name of Christmas wo bokro no wa kokwanso akofa niema Christmas inte wo de bebe atoso no wo bonkofo apo in the name of Christmas hey uso udidi radiatum na 2018 is an kwantwa no ho ama metoa afa wu mu na udikum uwe ya no obefa me ya san unim se krono a wabɔ no ye twa wahye sesere ye twa wagu sesere apo ententia krono am robbery na ekoso this time and ekoso this time wa ku Dubai akofa niema wa unim se niema yi anka efu uko eunyanfo anka Yesu Kristo awudenti kura ka betete so ekufo du wini aba mi chiramade na nekufo du wini election Ghana for motete niema so mama me dwene ho mentiase wono ko ye nipa o motete niema so enkofo ye party ewo nkran ya bonten so aduane for free nipa salai mu medibi ni nyina ne se na nekufo du wini aba. Thank you. After dia ya jenkwa Yesu Kristo ni birthday. Ene dia na mo ncha de munya ni free. And so to me kofa niema no wa yiribu. Wo ton obuni nia. Wo buni nia. Wo buni nia in the name of Christmas. And then say $100 na de sane wo mame and na wo nia bi for Christmas. Christmas na ba na wo so tum chese niema gudwa so nyina yatum. Yatumo ye nya de be hye Yesu Kristo ni munyam. Ye ya de hye bonsam ani munyam. Obi na no afisia po se afisa se ne da so tiase afisa se ne onyame ehira ye afisa se ne da so koyie adas wa bra wo tichi wadiem boni ekoso baye ani mafi na wo ye didi Christ atem na se nipa da sani anya aba election no motumi anu odua ne de ache free atete niema so dia adan na Yesu Kristo awoda eno de montete niema so na nka monye wo se mre ne perfo. Meba. Your Bible no. 2 Timothy chapter 3. Me read the bibi kakra. Was say chapter 3 verse 1 was say you must understand this. In the last days there will be violence period of time. People will be selfish and love money. They will brag, be arrogant, and use abusive language. They will curse their parents, show no gratitude, have no respect for what is holy. We have no respect for what is holy. We have no respect. What's the when we say, and they did you know, a bit more din beba, nipa beya who perform, and Nima wabu bosun in a sana cost this time. I will for my son din for beba. Yem for respect and need deeper, yem for my dear ye kron, a dear holy, yem for need dear mano. Things are going on for little from Nipanya who perform. Say Christmas, yes, Jesus Christ, I would do Nipaya who perform. Say, Obedient Nikunayaka, Wahono Pom Pom, Adaya, when the Nikunan Tat Dibia or Pam Famano, Nikunan Koto diamond ring, and Famano in the name of Christmas, and into the poor fool, Nipaya who perform, Yanto Landisa Mano, Yanto Ringa Cassia, Casa Cassia, and Famano because of Christmas. Kofi Okokoy. Obedient Nikuni, see any dende. Nina Nisa, I need your palm money Christmas. Na mibusawo we are there yesu pe obini ne yire de sie ni dendende ni nyina ne se wanye de opama no for Christmas na we are there yesu pe. Did you do it? Na se mukokwan no so na mukofa niema bebu nkofo na kade de panyan ne bom na moje tuko fam se futura what if you si beifo wo wo de chi wadi di onyame atam na kani koko bomo a usibaifo saka uye di unyame pa nko protecteo nka kani bi bua fa so 7 times ka be fa ho akudi nka wo be fa wo no wakwa akudi for need to form what is going on enima ekoso ne nko yi o enkonkwam ni pani do ya keka ye manyam sompa but mu ahoden ya po emu awode e de be konkogiem emu awode e de be fredu New Jerusalem ya pamu ahoden no krasa wo kan krasa denti na wo kasasa usu yese we de won usu yese we de won me susuma bra me mfa ho me my alert of everything unyame so na me so no wo bo adwuma pa adanse mu ntibi unyame na menu masebi so de oba no watwam na adidi matam na abuofu no unyame nam so je nkofo memma ketete ani mu ma memma kentinka wo mu bibidi memma wo mu gina brane obitumi kamame no to a me tie preach tie nanso wo preaching amama sakra totally wo be woni pakro no you be o de ho a memma kentinka wo wodi a wo de ho a to se bibia ko yiba me ntina me catch say menuma sam na eba no don't play jokes menuma sam na eba no don't play jokes with it unyame na me mu kan bibia chero nese wo betia unyame wo be hu mobo na niema be koso ama nese wontie nsoso na wo be yedi unyankopon pedia ene ka hu se fofia ntoata ne wodi kumudia ene no wa ankasa wa chira asem a wodi ko Kristo di mako ka chira no metia no ma mekasa wo se pepa bi kuta me hwe mo mekasa me hwe mu nkasa e kire se nyam na mekasa kire wo e ya doma hinwa no na ekasa kire wo nti se wo be fa asem no waka no watie na wo de aye asem no a wa ye de asem de pa onyankopon so bi hu mobo so what ya se wo so onyankopon obo na bofo bo omu musu onyankopon obo omu ho nsraban hia obo na omu so awurade obo omu ho nsraban ehia wo mo tutufo ho nsraban hia wo mo kromfo ho nsraban hia wo mo muade wo mo mfari awurade wo mo ho nsraban hia onye sa onyankopon wonyinya atwom wonye kuturubu de nyankopon wo ye justice god me kame chiramo nti mu de munni mo sofo na chi no mo mfa mu nkoje mu be kwakwahye o me kame chiramo wo de tra pentecost asare dem ne chichi unyame no tena ho ne fechi wade ka onyankopon na bani bomu a na be hu bebi a wugina nipa ko no bete na so ne wawie ko wo de niema gu akwam upadi so pabe ni so chichi onyankopon no ka kire ye ho se ani biaba ani bienti na sabri kesi kese beto ye so e ma ye nyinse bosome nkono watcha boy. So for will you so for la dula, so for nya chum, so for crumb for, so for to bottom me, so for am robber, we can you wo. Mr. Wo that used to be so for wasra. No mu do mochi. All in the name of commission, ye family, ye fabinum, ye shubum pieton, ye jimu, my yasi need ye dear ni ye jibu. So for what pie boy, where you so for smoke, so for she we, so for she we, so for what she asra, or she cocaine, so for who champ petition, who chuckle yon sonic kakaibites. Yes, Uba, or Baba to bet some baby amujina. Na muda yamima. Na mnanti no so sorry and ye chap boy. Bet na yem famo yesis in the top. Ne boxer sauce no so shanna sene. Wo mushi no nam. Wo shia wo na ubagi kutos famam. Eni nam ye de wo mbetuma bokro no bo. Wo shia oba no repulu. Waje ne sa wo ye papa. He, se Sodom and Gomorrah wo man fo mo ho ani a. Yesu yem fie ho ni. Se no one nano, Onyankopon try, and who nipa mobo, and say nipa. Hey, don't play games. Say Yamen what a suya juma. Say what the bonimui. Ah, what a sujuani, a tressa win Yameba knew. What a power can run on wako show, sape pepe. And to the Tina party, na senior more one corner for dear sa. Oh, yes. Dear Sapa, Joe woman apa. Yet the opposite way pa. Now they did nyamiatam. Now we are safa Bible no to naso because the Bible you be more. And sabian free Bible no me papa wasum. Now they did nyamiatam what that say. What that was say. Do whatever you want to do. Nemre people na we do. And then na so nine ubetimi de wonsa sane. Na da be so wonsa. Ada fu sese be kan. Ada so for to for so ku be bowa to dem no. Ubeye mo bosse. Ubeye mo bosse. Ye dressy fee, near catches, ye nursing my son, them when you fe. Ye nursing my own your foe. Safi, ye dressing, and the man sorry them with your fe, and the man sorry them with your fe. And somebody at son them more than disco. Because you were getting more than I want to know, Beyonce cram fan. Beyonce cram fan, monomanum to four. Gift your sage, baby. The way in the Nimesa Kakabu to be. Gift your say, Mr. Mredini Sakrawaji. Sakrawaji na untum enyuma makristo. Wonu wo to nyuma Kristo. Shiakai Lucifer kron han. Shade wayo ho wapo wo ti se preko. Osura no wasra obi beka e mane no chona na me body dia na ye de. Dia me kana me boa. Se mu yenya atwom, mo mpa ne kore. Dia me kana se ma me ka me boa mo kan kyem se me boa. Joyce bless you money number bia. Wo mapo me hyegu mu tun se konfo a wo kwakwam no. A wo mu huri ti se ayi no. Wo mo be fa ma so fa ma. And you see mo. Nto be tire yi no o to nwuma wo hia dear Joyce blessing. And they say gift you say. Who me Facebook na me mfa ho. Wo pati wo mpa so jai. Me sese de why ho no jai. Na mfata Kristo. Anye sa. Wo tira nye yi na wo twahwe ne. Wo be kwakwose. Would you see me bois from a new massam diagro? So, so your bow won't fa. Yes, so ye my won't fa. The Oyan and Kibet me a yibi, Nansu Yankupo's runty. I will see a prayer once in my Christ. And tis also a minister of God. No, to you must show Yamin Munyam dia. And ya dia, a Besha Christo, and the Munyam. Nejas were pinto and himself Kakamu to be. She sent that the free. I don't know. Obuya Mama Dada almost some way effect. Who are you? Who me come tramo. The was no betty, the old near so, a grade. Or Becco she rough. Man can't show me near. There's a mechanism one family, Majuma. Seriously, me nada who. The Enima Aka can go. So who shall stand for fully, no one imitate you on my so cockoshe, and no one be no the rest of them. We invite to suffer with one man when Yanko Poe use the suffer. The master for him. What to me invite some Maui? Was your trousers were you so is the broom, the more if you car. No use what friend so no minister was sorry them. Now sorry for the yeah. Now do one more sorry more tight no more friend. Near the Amazon to for your movement and to what the about Yanko Poenim. Munina Mokahubi, some shop on in somebody. Aye, mucha take it from Ghana. no more free gift you say, no more free joy is a blessing, no more free friend to feel what you want to call your couple. No more, yeah, and son of man, moon can crunch on Mossaji Joe offering, and your massa so called Christiancy. So, Mama say, Ma. Omumra butchery, and my dressing fee, into no bacasa, and dresses say was a man had a gift you say by one hunana. One share Tadio say, what's it make up on yet? Say make up on yet the other gift you say by on no crow, minister of God. Why you make up? On no crow was shot at you say, Nino Fumugo, and you did that day. Now suffer for 2. Until I am go straight to you guys. Because one kind of correct. Moya trofo was so bad bomb pie on cat. What we are no massad more grand grain now. Or my Lucifer no massad woman said to Tonko for so bomb pie mom. Aye, and you what the man no. No one must say almost side delivered in for more deliverance. Huh? Because I am shopping iron. Mumu be somewhere your occult. Mumu be bless your woman and send months at me. Now must check green. I must see more sorry them. Mumu be by foot to crown the bay for fee. Sanity. I am shopping iron. Me no money pay. Obey the waffle me would to me. Because we know when you pet the old and me nebi. A sanity and to a woman brano. Woman from you love the money. The Nippana Ewulo. Nippana Airan. Mubuntu Sika. Eche Nippana Airan. Yes, Maka. Hey, man, I'm not trying to I suffer no one. Suffer no so what do you call here? Check you to phone now. We invite you. And you to Nina, you are sorry to invite you to say, one rametonum, Num to Nino at to say, Nibusa. Num to Nina to say, said you Num to Nina, Yabiatian wounds as Hannah suffered here. Until we invite him. So I don't know who invited Cecilia Mafo. I don't know from Mamma, no funny modesty, and make no minister to God. No in Kenya insincere suffering, no Holy Spirit insane. No Kofunya or Mufahundi, or Monyanko Bonifoto Matum Pochim, Unyame Kunko Sansan woman. I don't know fresh Mamma. Why don't you call her? Because one try. When you're in a Tosson in Nufu, into Munya baby in 10 minutes to want to you. That's why. Eh, yes, sir. The more you know, much current. Monte no much current. Me wa. I guess no mudisi kaka munio. Dear, dear, every day, me say, dear, Adano, ebeye J. Yes, umaye, ebeye J. Ebeye J. What won't tiasi and cocoche? What won't tiasi bankao? Me see when you me stubborn generation, obey stubborn preacher. And yes, I'm ketwa. I could see when I can jagumo ganon. Fire, it just dumb. And I love it. All the secrets will come out. All the secrets. The Modi is standing in and Sana Yesubabano. All the secrets. And your Bonia Kosunina will come out. All the secrets. Now, before, not any weaknesses. I saw the man penning for no musisio. No mutu baye. Uba weaknesses were wearing the near thing now. I'm an answer what to tune in the near science or boots where they and would this you obey you near to go you for the so as of him into Musu Jamaya do crassa for youth. You for a Jamaya do croam and can you for now see some pipe boom near boom pine in your moon sunny you so nobody who did boom near Jomano check Christo di Munyam and a nama me phone penny fono. What would the bay yakot stars of him? No more to a corner a gun colanoso, Nasa for say. Me bois mon kanchem se me bois. Sa me bois mon kanchem se me bois. Na me aso do ho invite na me because me church na me check the omo ho na me ma ho because me check aso dia nyame nkonko ni wo me nsi ho me ma ho da eyawufu asafo ho ayisum onyame wonhumo ene ye hyeboni nsam de na me se mo abruchi for mo bo mo soro na mo ye adwuma na ma wo chenchenchen ene ye minus 1 degrees e wo ha koko ye juma yenka no kranchira what bonim udu ni ayaka uyin inside to go take birth control ya abortion uju obi kunu sofo so wonka ukoye juma wi no start se sika ne diakọ won na de mano nyanya me na de mano onyame wonsom mumu bebre nso toton cocaine ni wi ebi tonsa Ghana market for African markets money abo afode ye frefre mo who store onye goda edi bieje bites kakai bites nyenu na moton ah nso ye bo afode ye frem mo be kwakọ sika na mo modi o mo de be shi mansions atoto cars na mo be kwakọ hye Mubakwa kwashio, unyame wotene nebra, ena wo hwehwe. Ene ye mu awurade mfere no. Wose hunu we se, ene di akire no. Ene di akire nipa be ya hopefo. Nipa, moya hopefo, ene mu pedin. Opie ba bi ne ebu ne dia na ye ne de. Wote bonim opefans. Utie sika kese. Na mu tue sika. Utie sika no asa akohye emobo. Etese de yato botom pepepe. Etese de wonam kejetia na obi de nsa ho wataso ato botom. Exactly same. Sanity ne ye bompa ye obi wasafo mu. Ye yi obi wasafo mu kra ye mompa ye. Nti nipa no se beyu na sofofo ne bebe ye demons. Abeye ba ko so be ye se be ma beyi ba ko. Eche ema 100. Bema ba ko to me containing 5,000 demons. It is a bema wait yasafuma. Hedi ne besie. What is going to happen? And yet that die. Na me dia me bo koko. Me dia me bo koko. Onyame wonye bibi. I just want the koko boaba. Onyame wonye bibi o just was shaky grounds. O to the book asachira wo. Wo mfite prekope me bo abra wani na ho so. Na de beji gano na obe wo su wiem. Asuri betija. Ne janem wiem ne ni pejane no. Eho na obe hu say yes. Eho na obe hu say yes. Afedi ye se ye wo dombere ma na afedi dombere me ya wo ba di ye di twam. Enya asem kitwa we di pantoma. Enya agro adalo. Me se mo betu musika ma empan ni mpro. Omukro mbeka se musika na omumpe. Omubeka se musika na moni abre na nti. Ewiase akono ene niema adokro mu Yesu. Mu di echiwade kano no. Me se obeba betomola. Ah. Me se me Canada. Mo de mo some celebrate Christo birthday. Yeah. Tubu de munko so no mfa echiwade no mfa nka no munko wensa munya party sakese munko tie ge na oye bosom no eboni no munka ncha no me so oye bosom o that's me huna sana me hu bosom pepepe me hu bosom ye de doso esi na sene sana me hu ge na me hu die me hu no timu de Christopher mu imitate no mama mu maso imitate the lady na ye ntuaja mamo engu ho eye Yesu Kristo wo ba Munye party ko himba nyina in the name of Christmas. Na munko pemba. Yeah. Do it. Na feel who Christo ni wa bre mu ahoden wa po. Na Yesu Kristo no. Ne ho oden time no mienu no. He is coming. He is coming. Ye ka no kura mompe. Me se wo nyame wo be yi ne ma. Ekwan ya ho. Ekwan ya ho. No nyame yi ne ma. Ekwan ya ho. No nyame wo yi ne ma. Sa na tie. Nti sa wo ye nipa usu do birthday now to me trata di ubi shamfa ma birthday ase na Christo birthday na udi na de chiwade e kan de a na ye kan obi a wo mu ade wo mfere awurade nsuru nyame a wo ye rebellious ene wo me Canada ene because wo ye nipa kra wo shemra so obi ni so onyame shemra wo so ni so wo sensaten oyentokopeni wose obi onum nsakran kan fie menko enso ne manfo hyehyɛ nsa ofie ho enne muko di wa trantwie muko boma da party yetime invite so for mani pri e boss mpaye petehye so mpaye iwi obi agibi mum peti no mo sefo no mo nka nkyere mo me se wo beto se nyansa kasa ti bi ne fa bon to man Christ onyame asem e nyansa Kristo we nyansa nti obi a wo bete se wo kan asem papa no e nyansa tu ba no wa be ho no tie bi because de wo wiase nyina enye enko nyansam enye nyansa e yahudi ye feudi ye di Kristo ho few wo se ntena feudi for tena bia nso Kristo ni ba enne obi e invite no party ye anya in the name of Christ what wo ye boko yo nso ne atadwe wo sabi ye bo wan kona wo sa. Okay, ye bo lady do binim nyum ni bi ye bo osa ye so mutimi bo nyum na ka se awurade ba justia no na mabo onyame majinistia wabo thank you e ye duabo kese na modi brum ho no e we kire se wo mu ade we kire se sa wo ba na wo ba ne ye niamo ho na wo tia no a e de na onyame wo no wo bika because onyame na obo wo ba wiase no mu no na wo ba ye bone am wakotia no onyame wo mu no na wo ba wa ye bone am na wakotia no ye kwa sori o na ne secret baby esie o man so mo so be shekaba na wa why ne kaba onyame wo ye se wo skin na ya ne fa wo ya na mo fi se mo de mo wa bu ko kire Kristo he na mo mema na for wem, I will change will be trying kaba wem, as a sweet jacket, or go ya to her, I was sorry them, a pigeon and say, yes, Shirawo, Asafu Yehowa, would you see what you should me? Would you deja, nation me? Would you deja, and they say, young coupon ding, I was Safum. Who could dinner me who fell? Better maybe a pro, and so what I saw them. What I saw them, a bit to meet now, no media petition, pampa, or you commit ye rather. Yen can win in answer, no me pana or giano. No me. I suffer for no some Muslim, yes, and I'm woody, and Solomon is a monk and a crown, Munsum Mau. The Yami Yanasa no man, why here Mamoso. Mumana will be Wuja or Mohon, no colana be sofa, two shianas is sofa back, so no I say. No me, I am so say chum, because near my sofa na yami bufuno, a man no me na connectia could see the madness. And now grew a son of mucha ton, mucha madachi. Into Mudi Munion Kofusikani, Namuntu Yamiano, Munuya Menko, Munuya Menko, Muni dinner them. Because the number so we are for ye more dear, you do Yamiatum. At the moment I would do Yamichu, I never can on a chest of Umuno. Umuno, no, ya the ope. The Owason won't he? The Odiaso, Uncle. Yes, the Odiaso, Uncle Ship. Simple as ABC. Nti sa obekwa heaven he osofo ye bia. Hwe de osofo ni je ho eyisika. Ye gigi musika. Adaya hello. Sorry but praise the Lord wala. Hallelujah. Your announcement na secretary abegyina ho. Your announcement afu ye ba be program. And nti ye invite anyum to fo no ama banti say ye invite gift you say. Ye invite Joyce Blessing. They invite a member be pet man could be didn't say. Honey, invite to more Jackalolo, me say, yes, or broom be movie. Yes, what to me, Bruce Stram. And he invite to more and Tino Moba, no, I could Jessica. Nadia Massa, two Nino. Will be because my man trying our friend two ni. Was say a German for Tamnation. Into was a pram of a pradina, or more say German for Tadi or the pro-mac and 224. And tis me who's one of them be a quarter, but in the dress and it's just way 2 ni. And I would do sick a cobwa. See him invited 2 ni. No major suffer any woman minister and channel. Okay? In such jam. Obiti said Jackalolo me, no minister and channel. What breast Cecilia Mafuto? And tis a concert, no. So what the Beyonce Diana Cramenka, who saw without being. Would you the boy any 1 month? A Beyonce concert will be in so I am bonnet. Tiano San will be Shianu 2 4. No, who may be a way dear or the Namidi neighbor. And yet did you musical and yet they must uncle phone. Was the lack of knowledge, my people perish. Lack of knowledge, my people perish. And you may, of course, what would Nietzsche send Conquem? And so support was say don't follow the multitude and nini padu do watching koye bone because of the crowd ni nyina ye nti so do ho agim na so ye bie crowd ni nyina ye bie o e na so ye bie ni ye bobo register title ho register one tuya na ni say ye title nti e na ku na akojo ye dia ada na Santa Michael wo Chicago dan ka mfa ho nkobo ohima mponsa mo ayi de say Omu kunu. Na kwa konjo ni bi. Omu de nka bibi to ana nkoma bebo. Se sa de a. Ni ye bobo ho register. But as somebody didn't nipa konji mu no, they refuse to tell you. Na ye betena na ye beka. Na omu to omu ponche ni honhom no. Ene omu wo no. So omu de buy so. Unyame se obesi na sori dan na samando apono entimi ntwimfa so. The more na mu do unyame hwemo no, the more so unyankopon touch nipa bi amoni na no do omu aye na no abeka na sem. Me de ka menye sofo. Nso hwe, nam se mo di Kristo hwemo nti. On be bia metie me kasa. By now ka me bodem wo wiase, kama ye chief crusader e wo wiase. Nso nam se mo di nyame hwemo nti, on se me na metie ejina num. Nsem wei empie property so. Mo tibi da Jayi jamamo, jayi nsayigo, uba sorry abuduku, mensha trousers, mfemini skirt maha, jayi suwa kika wedim tise jibe, mote ya munkantreme, mote, nkamani bibe uwe umumoku, ifi la sorry neto, no matudi ya kokochira popete neso. Sada nkabeye, sofo unse woku jibu, nti wano wa mekandi ya yenchino, wako joini okot, waya okot wakoshi, nti obede wo beka no kura kire nti usofo anka no kura nche wa dwo no e kire se woni nkwa yes wa fa ne yire chi buwe ndaman nti woni nkwa so what you say nti wo meka nche se sakra wo meka na sakra na me nanka na me ni nkwa no da be nanka ma betena sakra waje sa na tie nti wo metufo hwe wo betufo na sakra wo ko heaven am wono na kohye nti wono umie ni nyina one logo line di na chi na munko sa na tie ni yezamu bebre onyame won fa ye bone nche onyame won fa obia woni beba ho so mo ni mra ho so sister ya braya mo ni mra ho so ni jane free wiase na Yesu Kristo oba jane said the Lord to the busia Lord to the busia so munko mo bia njane ni o munka mo mesene mo bia njane ni munka mo mesi mo bia njane ni munka mo bia njane ni Lord enu bi na me no ye chawani ye ko pepa no so ka ho mo mesene mi enko no nyame be sei kuroi ka ho enchawani o enchawani no nyame be sei kuroi wo so mo bia nchawani na Lord to the na yiri ni di eche ai na miwra dia wo ye di esanyo nkofo so me ka chawo mo ya za se kuro bo ba be wia ye niema me ntuma bi amatagu oni Jews na nsaya me koto me dan mo bi na nsaya masoma de mi me toye na ne fepa na nsaya me ma obi ye good bi frigana breme eno wayiro ho ne nkofo wo nya akromfo obo baba be wia ye na odi na chi no wo twantai wa kire no wakasa no nyame se wo na wonka ho ukunu na neka ho na wonka ho for the sake of your husband because so nyame ka kire lot so no nko anko no nya hire wa nka lot ko onko because ko beka se rade odo be wudie ke nungu no so munyina monko nso na hire no no nyina wonyame aginam nso nse kwa no so fidie ni yi no sandetie nti wo wonyina nyame aginam wo de bokra de kakosi so last minute fidie ne be yiwu wo de oseme boa dada nyame ma nipa koshi nipa kogem se 2018 ye ba be wurubu ye nim nipa dodo a wo metima survive 2018 we don't know nti this is the time I was see sitting no kura nim katil nipa sebe kunu sebe ye ne de yo because obatam papa bi ni ho a wo mie ne bekura wo kofa ice water edi mie ne bekuru wo di nsuo pram me na be se pram no wo to bi aguma wo mia no wo de tupa ye blue red and yellow wo de agum na ya ya adano nko ni se di usida eye sanete eni ntin na me kasa chiro odofo boni be na utim run for your life. We don't have much time left. Ye ni kurete oda. Ema oba timi ko boy dwama yin sai. Na so fo aka kire o say. Fa ne bra so ne nhira abofra no. Na abofra no de o innocent. Won na ka kire o. Won na ka kire o. Me sit down to torment ne bebu mu no. Akola kro otue nu fo ano no. Agisa akola ne ma me ho nkonkon ti ne mu no nyame ba je ne bie. Wonim kola ye ko hye. Hye. O ka so nyame o be ye compromise. Wo wat na boni mo o ba no of abeshimo. Say nkola ko heavy. Who told you? Who told you? And Colandi mu innocent. Hey, was see abofra wo boku free ne na yam. Abofra and Colandi wo bo ya wo to won ane ma ne bayi. Hey, who told you? And what na ebra la sa o ma no mbenya nkwa. Tina o ntin wo se ebre me kwa wi ya e ma nufu da no omunue. Ane ma wo ma fa furo omunue. Nko nkasa. Se nko beka se sister ne nyim nti onyi ne ba no mfa nko. Wobe pra wunyina tu akotu jem wobe pra nko nkase due adano emma wo ma nufo da no wo munue emma wo mo ko wo da no wo munue nko nkasa nti wo de tena wo fie o ne bobre bia wo pe na ye wo wagye se wo ma no privilege. Who told you? The eba ni personal enye komo ene me ka kira say fa wo wadwene ne yi nitefo ni jani fi unyame bufuhia ode ba asase so ni nyankwa ene ahome ma okra anye sadia hyase fa nsaguti utwa wapetachi ni kakra no wasa su na ade oni mabutu fom sadia mbo monyom no nipa wu anu owu me kam kira se nipa wu anu omu yi bibi kase eba na de owaso no obeti na de woni aso no de me se na ye nkwaje dawo janeje okra nkwa asori na wutim no sa wo ko hia sorry free ho. Sa sofo nka no kura. Sorry free ho. Ebe ya ma sa ka wonsi ho kura. Ne shi atrasem. Na hwehwa sorry da me ho nkonkon tim. Na fa ho kokodom. Anya sa huku. Man ka kira wa menue. na se me ka so no wamfa me wie madwuma asam na do no omfa obi a me kan kire obi le ka se we dia anya na chawa se we dia anka jena sare na wa ha ka be koyi pa anya jena sare enya ono enya o tabelo enya Duncan Williams baby or the mimi say me te kwai wusa ada no obi twa picture na kire me se wo a wo ti asem ni bi na bia obi twa picture na kire wo se munyanya no kure no hunim dia na mu jare kokoye bone ho no yi bi ani ho mamu bi ntu de tenem asam no wate o se mmeni be kwa wi ye be preaching nyame asam ko wi ase afa na nyina ebi na nam Facebook no ntu de bu asam na nimtia tena ofi okata na to de o ha adwene o gay you okasa o no so se ya ne dey wo de di matam all you want who obey ato e be bounce back to you me come chiro no cross ma me kan se ma ya otamfo a die because was munnie mu amofre papa se bone na amofre bone se papa sankofo munnie and na sa wote bone mu sakra wagene jane jo krankwa